Today we'll talk about how can you change your username on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on your name here, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your name here or username, you just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this, and here can you change your username here. You click here on OK. So then here it's going to change with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.